In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate custom flashcards for any subject. To start, I'll head to the search bar and type a prompt requesting 10 flashcards about the stages of photosynthesis, specifically asking for a two-column table format with front and back headers. Once I hit enter, Perplexity generates a comprehensive overview of photosynthesis, highlighting the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. The results identify exactly where these stages occur within the chloroplast and clearly explain complex concepts like photolysis and carbon fixation in a way that is easy to digest for an exam. Now, let's try a language learning example to see how versatile this tool is. I'll type a new prompt asking for 12 flashcards covering basic Spanish vocabulary, this time requesting a format optimized for a spreadsheet export. Perplexity quickly delivers a clean table featuring essential words like hola, gracias, and amigo, paired with their English translations. For the results, the AI produces a neat list of fundamental vocabulary words in a spreadsheet-ready format that is simple to follow. It even provides a CSV-style text block below the table, allowing me to copy and paste the data directly into Excel or Google Sheets for a seamless import into my favorite study tools. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.